For years, DJI has held the crown in the drone market by consistently balancing innovation, usability, and portability. Among its many creations, the original DJI Neo stood out as a unique blend of ultra-portability and simplicity, packing 4K recording into a pocket-sized drone that you could literally launch from your palm. It quickly became a favorite among beginners, vloggers, travelers, and anyone who wanted to capture beautiful aerial content without dealing with bulky equipment or complex setups. However, while the first Neo was groundbreaking in many ways, it wasn't without flaws. A smaller image sensor limited dynamic range, shadows often looked noisy, and the flight time left users craving just a few extra minutes in the sky. Even more importantly, the Neo lacked advanced subject tracking and robust obstacle avoidance, features that modern content creators now consider essential. Now, the spotlight turns toward what many are calling the DJI Neo 2. Leaks and rumors suggest that this upcoming model could completely redefine what we expect from a mini or pocket drone. Some enthusiasts speculate that DJI wants to blend the Neo's signature portability with performance closer to its bigger brother, the Mini 5 Pro. In this article, we're going to deep dive into everything we know and everything we can speculate about the DJI Neo 2 design, build quality, flight performance, camera upgrades, software features, accessories, price leaks, comparisons with other drones, and ultimately, whether this could be the go-to compact drone for creators in 2025 and beyond. Design and build quality, small but stronger. The original DJI Neo grabbed attention not just because of its price, but because of how friendly it was to use. It was tiny, feather-light, and had built-in propeller guards that made it ideal for beginners, families, and casual creators. You could toss it into a backpack, carry it in one hand, and launch it without intimidation. Based on leaks, the Neo 2 will retain that same ultra-portable form factor, but with refinements aimed at durability and stability. Here's what's being speculated. Stronger materials. Reports suggest the internal frame may use reinforced composites or carbon-infused plastics, reducing flex and improving resistance to wind turbulence. Upgraded propeller guards. Unlike the Neo's basic design, the Neo 2 may feature double-layered prop guards, improving safety during crashes and indoor flights, perfect for YouTubers filming in tight studio spaces or apartments. Weight considerations. DJI appears determined to keep the Neo 2 under the 250 G mark. Why does that matter? Because in many countries, including the US and much of Europe, drones under 250 Gs are exempt from certain regulations, making them easier to fly legally without registration. Improved motors. Stronger motors are rumored, which could allow more stable hovering in gusty winds while boosting responsiveness for beginners and pros alike. Sensor layout. The leaks point toward forward, downward, and possibly rear-facing sensors, enabling more advanced obstacle detection than its predecessor. Another rumored upgrade comes from the controller design. Instead of the simple Wi-Fi-based remote that shipped with the first Neo, the Neo 2 may feature better antenna placement, stronger signal transmission, and redesigned grips for longer flights without hand fatigue. Some whispers even suggest a controller variant with a built-in screen, reducing reliance on smartphones. In short, DJI seems to be focused on strengthening every aspect of the Neo's build, without losing the portability that made it iconic. Camera and imaging. The real star of the show for creators, especially YouTubers, travel vloggers, and filmmakers, the camera is the single most important feature of any drone. This is where the DJI Neo 2 seems poised to make its boldest leap. The original Neo offered 4K video, but capped at 30 FPS, and its small sensor struggled in low-light conditions. Now, according to several leaks, the Neo 2 could feature a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the same sensor size used in some smartphones and even in certain higher-tier DJI drones. Here's what this upgrade means. Better low-light performance. A larger sensor means more light capture, less digital noise, and better night shooting. Perfect for creators capturing cityscapes, sunsets, or early morning vlogs, 4K at 60 FPS. This rumored upgrade doubles the frame rate compared to the original Neo, delivering smoother motion, slow motion flexibility, and more cinematic options, HDR video capabilities. Expect improved high dynamic range, HDR, for vibrant skies and balanced shadows, crucial for cinematic aerial shots. Improved still. Photos. Rumors point toward 12-megapixel stills with updated image processing algorithms, delivering crisper photos with improved color science. Log profiles and RAW options. Advanced shooters may finally get RAW photography and D-Log video profiles, giving them far greater control in post-production. Stabilization. Enhanced electronic image stabilization, EIS, is expected, with some leaks hinting at gimbal-like smoothness despite the Neo's tiny body. For YouTubers and travel vloggers, these upgrades are huge. Imagine being able to pack a drone that fits in your palm, yet delivers footage that rivals bigger, pricier drones. That's the dream DJI seems to be chasing: flight time and battery life. If there was one universal complaint about the original Neo, it was battery life. Most users average 12-15 minutes per flight, barely enough for meaningful content creation. The Neo 2, according to leaks, could finally push that number to 20-25 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. While that's still not as long as the Mini 5 Pro, it's a major improvement for a drone in the sub-250G category. DJI might also offer higher capacity batteries, possibly as part of a Fly More kit, faster charging systems. Some rumors suggest charging cases that not only store the drone, but also top it up on the go USB-C. Charging, widely expected, aligning with modern accessories and making recharging far more convenient for travelers. For vloggers hopping between scenic locations, extra minutes in the air can make the difference between just enough footage and truly cinematic storytelling. Smart features and software upgrades. While the hardware matters, DJI's secret sauce has always been in its smart flight features. The Neo 2 looks to take that even further. Advanced subject tracking. Expect upgraded AI for tracking people, cars, pets, and moving objects, even if they temporarily disappear behind obstacles. This is a game changer for solo creators who can't always rely on a camera crew. Multi-directional obstacle avoidance. Thanks to rumored forward, downward, and rear sensors, the Neo 2 could navigate more complex environments, reducing crashes. Quick Shots 2.0. DJI's creative pre-programmed flight patterns, like Droney, Circle Helix, may get expanded into Quick Shots 2.0, giving users more cinematic presets. Transmission upgrades. Leaks suggest the Neo 2 could adopt DJI's OcuSync 3.0 protocol for more stable transmission, lower latency, and longer range compared to the Wi-Fi link of the original Neo. Better companion app. Expect smoother integration with DJI Fly, improved editing tools, and maybe even built-in AI video editing for YouTubers. Accessories and bundles, just like with the Mini series. DJI is likely to offer multiple purchase options for the Neo 2 standard package. Drone, controller, 1 battery, Fly More combo, extra batteries, charging hub, ND filters, extra props. Premium bundle. Potentially includes a carrying case with integrated charging, sturdier prop guards, and advanced accessories for creators. Accessories like ND filters will be especially important for YouTubers and filmmakers, letting them shoot smooth, cinematic footage even in bright daylight. Price and release date leaks. Now the burning questions. When will the DJI Neo 2 launch, and how much will it cost? Rumors point to a late 2025 announcement, possibly aligning with major tech trade shows or DJI's own product events, with a rollout into early 2026 for certain markets. As for price, speculation varies. Base version, $220, $250 USD, Fly More. Kit, $350, $400 USD, Premium. Bundle, potentially $450 plus, depending on included accessories. If DJI hits that price point while delivering the rumored upgrades, the Neo 2 could dominate the beginner drone market and even tempt semi-pro creators looking for a lightweight travel drone. Competition. Where does the Neo 2 fit? No drone exists in a vacuum. So how does the rumored Neo 2 compare with rivals? DJI Mini 5 Pro offers a 1-inch sensor, longer flight time, and advanced camera options, but costs significantly more and isn't as pocket-friendly. Best for creators prioritizing image quality, DJI Avatar series, geared toward FPV flying, immersive goggles, and adrenaline-packed maneuvers. Not a direct competitor, but an alternative for creators seeking dynamic angles. Older DJI models. The original Neo and Mini SE may drop in price when Neo 2 arrives, offering budget-friendly alternatives for absolute beginners. The Neo 2, if leaks prove accurate, seems perfectly positioned between toy-like drones and semi-professional rigs, offering both portability and respectable performance.